Hi guys, here I will show you how to add watermark in Google Docs. Whether you need to mark a file as confidential, draft, or simply brand your document with a logo like PMN Online, Google Docs has made this simple. Still, many users are facing issues as they don't find watermark in usual position in Insert menu. So, I will show you how to overcome this issue. The first thing you need to do, guys, is open your document in Google Docs on your browser. We're going to use the super simple built-in feature to insert a watermark, adding a text watermark. You want to go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, you then select Watermark. This action opens a side panel on the right of your screen. But wait, there is no watermark here, as it was earlier. I had faced the same issue. So here is what worked for me. Actually, Google team has made a tweak in menu settings. They have changed its position. The simplest thing I did was searching in Help sect. Here is how. Click on Help and then search in Menus. You can directly use shortcuts. Alter in / in Windows, and for Mac use Options and /. Here search Watermark. Boom, here it is. Now I will also show actual place of this watermark in Insert menu. But before it, please like the video and subscribe the channel if this helped you out. Click on Insert menu and scroll down and click on Page Elements. Here it is, Watermark. In that side panel, look for and click on the Text tab. Type the text you want to appear as a watermark into the text box. For example, PMN Online in my case. You can then format your text. You can change the font, the size, the style, and most importantly, the transparency and color. You want a high transparency so it doesn't totally block your main text. You can also adjust the angle to diagonal or horizontal. Once you're satisfied with how the text looks, click Done at the bottom of the panel. The text watermark will automatically appear behind the content on every page of your document. Same way you can add Image Watermark too. That's basically all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to create a watermark in Google Docs. If you enjoyed this Google Docs tutorial and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any other questions or videos you'd like me to make. See you in the next one.